Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video about our Logitech. Now it's not about Logitech at all. This is about our new PC, guys.
Check it out.
First,
guys.
So guys, let's unbox the PC right now. Let's get this started.
So like we're gonna put the camera right here.
Let's just put the camera over here.
Okay, guys, let's get unboxing this bad boy. So first I'm gonna take out the peel. Oh, excellent cut. And take out this part. Whoa, too much work. What?
Woo.
First, careful with the thing.
Guys, I'm so hyped.
So look, Intel right here.
Intel, hold up. Intel. Let's just get this
Do you want me
started.
to take out this thing first?
Yeah, I guess we have to take it out. So guys, I'm gonna put the video in fast mode. And I'm gonna put the video in fast mode, and then whenever the box is open, we're gonna show you guys the piece. PC, guys, and this is how it looks like from outside. The Alienware Aurora R8 PC, guys. This is how it looks. It's pretty clean.
It's actually iCore 5, so.
And we did get it for, hold up. I'm just not gonna tell you guys right now how much we bought it for.
We actually customized it, so.
We did customize it. So here, I'm just gonna make a real montage real quick. We did unbox it now. We will not going to plug it in right now. We will plug it in our own. So I think this is really it for this video. And the real information is on the last video. You guys go check it out, the last video. You guys go check it out. And this is
guys, we did it.
we only put the plug in right now over here. And this is how it looks like. It does light up. And it changes color every single 10 seconds, 5 seconds, I don't know. It does change color. This is how it looks like. It's pretty clean, pretty good, pretty fast. And yeah. This is really it, guys. And we will see you guys tomorrow with another video. And we did show you guys the PC. And we unboxed it for you. And subscribe, like, share, and
Don't forget to like it, and
yeah.
don't forget to leave a comment down below.
Yeah, and how it is. And if you have any questions about the PC, how did you get it, where did you get it from, how much was it, what's the items that are in the PC, just comment below, and then I will reply you back. And this is really it. Peace out, like, subscribe, share.